What's happening, guys? This is our gym we got to play with. Yeah, I know, absolutely epic. Solid stack of fucking dumbbells here. This is also just a hotel gym because we're busy today, so I haven't really got time to go look for a gym and stuff. Oh my gosh, and I've just come off some food poisoning yesterday. Every time I go away I seem to be getting food poisoning. But you know, this is the view outside the back of our hotel. Christ Redeemer up there, guys. Look at that. Rio, such a beautiful city. The sun's out today, it's been raining the last 2 days, so we're gonna make the most of today.
Just hit a shoulder workout, guys. But I thought I'd let you into like the supplements we bring with us when we actually go traveling. So I always bring a pre-workout. So I've got Prozis energy charge, and I also bring a energy iso carb as well for energy throughout my workout, just because of the heat. I need a bit more energy, you know, during my workout. We would bring a big tub of protein, but normally we just bring the sachets, the Prozis sachets to when we travel. So I've already had my energy charge this morning. So what I'll do is I'll just put my iso carb in a shaker, 2 scoops while I'm training. Again, I use bottled water because I don't know how good the tap water is out here. I think I might have got ill from that past few days or so.
Check this fucking view out, people. Right, guys, just at the top of the Windsor here, as you can see. Real nice hotel. And obviously, nice little pool going on here.
Acorda, mas pode ser sem pressa. Lá fora o dia começa cedo e nós não temos nada a perder. E aqui dentro o tempo passa lento. Eu nunca me arrependo de perder esse tempo com você. Acorda e fica mais um pouco. Cê sabe que eu sou louco e é aqui que a gente vai se entender. Pra que complicar?
Alright, so we rented a car and then we broke down right in the middle of Copacabana. Right in the middle of Copacabana.
God damn you,
They told us it was full and it would get us to the station, or it would get us to the gas station. So yeah, we're about 100 meters away. So here we are on the side of the road.
Quer tentar trocar pouco?
Alright, since we broke down the side of the road, we're going to get some acai. You don't know what acai is, then you're missing out. Totally missing out. No joke, we've actually broken down the side of the road.
Yeah, look at it. Side of the road and that.
Over there.
Tiene cobertura, chocolate, uva, banana.
Leite condensado.
For real.
Yeah. Yeah.
Eu quero pagar 2 aqui, ó.
So just stopped to get some acai since we broke down the side of the road. We have a tour guide, and but the car wasn't actually filled up. Obrigado. So yeah, we just have some acai till we get going again.
É que não tenha medo, o morro todo hoje quer te ver sorrir. Quem é que tem coragem pra falar de amor? Quem é que tem coragem de ser o que não é? Fiz essa aqui na laje e esse fundo é montagem. Me diz o que cê faz pra aliviar essa dor.
Já faz um tempo que a gente nem briga mais, cantando pra te dizer o bem que cê me faz. Se quiser um bebê, um dia a gente faz uma casa em frente à praia, num clima de paz. Um gato preto, um dog gordo pra gravar os snap, um home studio, mic foda pra gravar minhas track, uns pano pra inventar minhas modas sem ser de cheque, uma varanda e um quintal pro bicho e pros moleque.
Então deixa eu tentar cuidar.
So guys, after breaking down in the middle of Rio like a bunch of bellends, but we're good now. We just made it up here. I don't know what this is called. Fabio knows what it's called, but I've forgotten.
Fabio knows his shit around here. Fabio knows everyone around here.
But
this place is epic.
But yeah, check this out.
Acorda, mas pode ser sem pressa. Lá fora o dia começa cedo e nós não temos nada a perder. E aqui dentro o tempo passa lento. Eu nunca me arrependo de perder esse tempo com você. Acorda e fica mais um pouco. Cê sabe que eu sou louco e é aqui que a gente vai se entender. Pra que complicar assim? Não tem nada de errado, pode confiar em mim. Vai na Capricorniana nesse final de semana. Desculpa, mas não quero ver você parar.